Well, let's wind down then on the markets. It was that sort of a wobbly day. We came off the high point of the day. We had a good week. The last few days you turned up and in fact you made some money. Today, it was not all that great because we came off the high point of the day. We drifted to around 17,800. Then you thought we were going to be closing closer around the 17,900 odd mark. That didn't happen. IT had a field day. That was the index that really did a big outperformance. Mid-cap as well as large-cap IT names, they did very, very well. Why did the market struggle today? Well, cement stocks came in for some profit taking. So we had Ultratech Cement as well as the ACC and Ambuja Twins. Both of them did see some selling. From the large cap names, SBI Life and HDFC Life, both of them pulled back a little bit. And larger names on the index like L&T as well as HDFC, both of them drifted into the red, particularly in the final hour of trade. And both of them end in the red. Well, that's telling you a large part of the index is trading in the red. And that's why we couldn't really move to around the 17,900 mark. Reliance Industries as well was down close to around 0.5%. On the flip side, the IT names that I was talking about, Tech Mahindra up close to around 3.5%. Valuation support out there. Infosys, that was up close to around 2.5% odd. Adani Ports started moving very, very well. That was up close to around 3%. And IndusInd Bank, I remember on the day, in the last 2 months or so, there was some negative news that came in there. The stock broke 800 rupees. From there, just take a look at the returns that it's given. It's given close to around a 35-40% return just from that day. So good going on that one. Remember, what about the mid-cap space? Did a relative outperformance today, though the number of stocks that were advancing were lower than the number of stocks declining.
Indeed. So the mid-cap index is up about 0.3%. The advanced decline ratio had about 3 stocks in the green for 4 in the red. So the declining stocks outpaced the number of advancing stocks. But for the week, the mid-caps outperformed. The mid-cap index is up close to about 2.2% for the week. The big winner today is Nazara Technology. Very large volumes. The stock seeing a double-digit gain. JSPL is one of the big F&O movers, stock higher by 6-7%. In the banking pack, you had RBL and PNB outside of the large cap names, which were active in trade. Mid-cap IT was also higher. First Source, L&T Technology, LTI, Persistent, Birlasoft, across the board. You had gains in the range of about 3 to 4%. And Zomato was a mover. The stock is settling above that 62-63 rupee mark. On the losing side, sugar was a bit subdued. So Sri Renuka Bajaj Hindustan came in for profit booking. The stocks were down close to about 2%. We wrap up this Friday's trade with the Nifty at that 17,830 mark. Just a gain of close to about 0.2%. We're off from the session highs. But for the week, we've snapped a 2-week losing streak and we're ending with gains for this week.